Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Udaysreview. In this video, let us see pro level DJ monitoring headphones from Oneodio. This is a professional level budget headphones for DJs. This headphones is very good for monitoring and DJing use. This headphone has many other features. Let us get into the unboxing of it. Before it, welcome back to the channel Udaysreview. And please hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel Udaysreview. This is the Oneodio Studio DJ headphones. The box looks nice, but the packaging is very horrible. I don't know whether this was used and scented. And got this from Amazon. The seller also stuck a sticker on this top, so that is why it is all patchy. I tried to remove this. And this is the worst product where I have bought it from Amazon. It's not Amazon's issue, it's a seller's issue. Let us open it and see whether everything is perfect inside or not. So let me open the box. On top we have the audio cables. Inside this is a headphone, and inside there is one card, and we have a manual. That's all, nothing is there more than that. So here we have the warranty registration here, where you get 2 years warranty and get one gift option as below. One item from Oneodio or storage pouch or 40% off in the next purchase. And it also mentions Amazon, US, UK, DE, Japan only. So let us register the product and I'll show you whatever is this. Backside we have product like, don't like, or any warranty related stuff you can mail to this address. Next we have this manual where it says Oneodio Studio born for DJ, and its model is Pro 10G. So here are some instructions how to use it. This is an audio cable. Let me open this. So it has two different cables. One with a 1/4 mm jack and a 3.5 mm jack. I think this must go for the equipments, and this is to the headphones. Or you have a two 3.5 mm jacks where you have a mic also inbuilt in this for a call answering. This goes to your smartphone or any devices, and this goes to your headphones. So I'll show you in some time. So these are the two audio cables which comes with it. Let us move to the headphones. This is a pouch. It's a nice pouch by company. I'll remove this. You can see the headphones, I guess. So this is the headphones. I'll leave the pouch aside. So this is headphones, and these both are flippable like this. Yeah. So these are the headphones. You connect it to a head like this, and you have the extensions like this to the headphones. I'll remove this cover. Okay. Ouch. So this is how the headphone looks. This is a grey version of headphone. You also have a red and black version of the headphone. And this is a one side here headphones. When you are doing any DJing stuff, you can flip the other headphones to other side. It will not disturb you while monitoring or listening to any music. Let us see more functions about it. Below the headphones you have the audio jacks. One where we can put this 1/4 mm jack here, and this to your device or any place where it has 3.5 mm audio jack. And also you can put it in reverse way in this place. Connect this to any other devices which is having a 1/4 mm output. And there's also a mobile phone cable here where you can put this here like this and connect this to any of your smartphones. You also have a mic built in this cable for talking and disconnecting. You have a small button here. So this is the headphone. Let's see the close-up of it. So this is outside of the headphone. It is very neatly finished. Have a steel like structure here, but it's a plastic, and this is also flippable. In case you are monitoring in one ear, the other ear will be, you can put it like this. It's also helpful for DJing and any other music production things. You can do this for both the ears, on the left and right as well. Friends, now we'll connect the headphones and see the quality of the audio. I'm putting the 1/4 inch jack here. No, this is not the right way, but wanted to show you the audio levels. So this was the 1/4 inch jack to phone, and let me change the cable and show you the different thing. This is 3.5 mm to 3.5 mm. Let me put this 3.5 mm. This headphones has one very good feature, so I will show you that. So this headphone sound can be transferred to my another headphone from here. So I'll just show you the demo of it. I'm connecting a 1/4 inch jack here, and this is a 3.5 mm jack which goes to the phone. I connected this headphone a 1/4 inch cable and another point in 3.5 mm jack. I have one more headphone which I am using it on regular basis. So I have connected this headphone as well to this headphone using 3.5 mm jack. Listen the audio. The audio goes from this headphone to this headphone, and from this point I can shift the audio to this headphone where I can hear the audio in this headphone also. I also can hear the audio in this headphone. So look at here. So listen here. The audio is coming from this headphone. Now in this headphone there is no audio coming, so I will keep the mic so you can hear it. Okay, now I'll connect this headphone to this headphone and see the audio which is transmitted. This is an amazing feature of this headphone. So audio is coming from both headphones. So for example, see here. and also see here. Isn't this feature amazing? So we can transfer audio from one headphone to other headphone. It is called SharePort technology, which is there only in this kind of headphones. You can also take out from here and give it to a speaker also. So this headphones is having one input and one output. This is a great headphone. Friends, hope you like this video of unboxing DJ headphones, and I got these headphones because of its color. It is grey and gold in color. Isn't it the nice color, friends? This also is available in red and black. I will give the link in the description below where you can buy it. I use these headphones on daily basis for video editing and little bit of audio productions. The sound from this is very amazing. You will also definitely like this headphones if you buy it. Link is in the description, don't forget it. Okay? Like this video and share it with your friends and families, and subscribe to my channel Udaysreview. Follow us on the social media platforms. Bye. See you in the next interesting content.